So have you hired a virtual assistant and found out that PayPal isn't accepted in their country? Or you're just tired of all the hoops you gotta jump through for PayPal? Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you the software I'm using to pay my virtual assistant because like I said, PayPal isn't accepted in their country. It was really frustrating and I didn't know how I could pay them. But then I discovered this software that I'm gonna show you in this video and it changed everything. But you just gotta do one thing for me, okay? Stay tuned. Hey, Thomas Garrett's here. Thanks for tuning in. If you didn't quite see it on the intro, what we do here is we help you make money online with affiliate marketing. We upload new videos 3 times a week, okay? Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if that's the type of content that interests you, consider going down below and hitting that subscribe button. And after you hit subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the uploads. So like I said in this video, I'm going to show you the software I'm using to transfer money to my virtual assistant because PayPal isn't accepted in their country. And what the software is called Transferwise, and it took me like 10 minutes to set up. It's super powerful and they have an amazing affiliate program, and I don't know if they really call it an affiliate program, but that's what it is. It's just a way to invite other people and you're automatically a part of it right when you join. All you do is you take your link and then you invite people. So I'm going to be showing you how to use Transferwise and actually give you a live example because I actually have to send my virtual assistant some money, so you're going to see it live in action, and I'm going to show you how you can join the affiliate program and how simple it is to use. Okay, so I'm gonna hop over to my computer real quick and show you that. Okay, welcome to my computer. So this is the inside of Transferwise, and this is how I pay my virtual assistant because the country they're in, PayPal isn't allowed. So this is a perfect example of something that works if PayPal doesn't. And the really cool thing about it is the fees are really small, and they have a great affiliate program. So you automatically are a part of the affiliate program once you get accepted. It takes like a few days to verify your information and everything. So I don't know if it's different for a personal account, but for a business account, you got to send a picture of your ID or whatever. So it's real quick to set up, real fast and easy. And then if you invite 3 friends, you earn $75. They got to transfer like $300 or something, but it's super easy stuff and it's just an extra little thing and it actually helps. If anyone else had this issue where your virtual assistant's country doesn't allow PayPal, this is a perfect thing to use. So what you do is you go back, so then you just go right here and then you hit send money, and then this is where you put the amount that you want to send. So let's say $170, and then you just pick the country, you can type it in, and then boom. So that's that. So $2.61 is the fee. It's just the normal rate, but this is so much quicker and easier and more secure. And that's a main thing. You want it to be secure. You don't want to risk anything. So, and then sending it to someone else. And then what you do is you just fill out this information and then you hit confirm. Okay, so then you come to this page. This is where you review the order. I'm going to blur some stuff out. I just don't want their name and stuff out there. But I actually looked it up and this exchange rate is much better than Google. I was wrong. Transferwise's exchange rate is amazing, and they have an amazing affiliate program, and it can actually help people. That's one thing I try to do when I'm picking products to be an affiliate for, like how I'm an affiliate for ClickFunnels. Link up above to a video I did on ClickFunnels. It's a tutorial for ClickFunnels if you want to learn more about that. But besides that, I always pick products that I'm passionate about and that I actually use. You know what I mean? There's so many people out there who are picking products just to make money, and that is not what you want to do. You want to provide value for people and actually help them. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to do here. And I hope you learned something from this and maybe actually use Transferwise and it helps you in your business. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that quick. So then you just pick which way you want to pay. And this isn't the fee for using a debit card. That's all in total of all the fees you're paying. So you're paying like $1 extra. It's nothing. You know what I mean? It's got such great value in Transferwise. It's really amazing. So then you just would go continue to payment and then you just put in your debit card. It's that simple. So then after you pay, this is what you come to. It shows you your money is on the way and should arrive in 38 minutes, and then you can hit invite and earn $75. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that link down below in the description. My first link in the description will be my free training for affiliate marketing, but the second link in the description will be that link for the Transferwise. So if you're interested in it, definitely check that out. This is so much better than however else you would do it. I don't even know. If PayPal doesn't work, I don't know what you would use, but it's a very good alternative. I think it might even be better than PayPal. So yeah, hey, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you got some value value out of that. I know this is a little different than my typical videos, but it's still about affiliate marketing, and I think it's actually very helpful. I was about to just send this money on Transferwise, and I figured, I might as well record it and see what you think about that. So if you enjoyed this type of content, a little quicker video and more like about something else besides like ClickFunnels and stuff, let me know if you like that kind of content, because I could do more videos about different type of stuff and show you how to use like Camtasia, which is my video editing software, or maybe show you how to make thumbnails. If you want that type of content, definitely comment down below and let me know, okay? So anyways, about that training I was talking about, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and ClickFunnels, it's the first link in the description. It's just go.thomasgarretts.com, and you can check that out if you want to learn more. It's completely free, 100% free, nothing crazy. You don't got to pay any money. And then the second link in the description is going to be for Transferwise. So if you're going to use Transferwise, I'd very much appreciate if you use that link. It doesn't cost you anything, and I make $75 if 3 people transfer $300. So I'd appreciate it. If you don't want to, that's totally fine. I hope this video provided some value for you. So once again, thank you very much, and I'm going to leave it at that. Till next time.